really good vomit? Is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got another banger video for you guys, all right? Last video I showed you guys how to go from your grandma's daily errand runner to the ultimate electric BMX bike. Now, the only issue with doing the upgrade is you'll lose the ability to fold your handlebars down. Until now. I'm gonna tell you more about this, but before I do, I need to put out a disclaimer real quick. Guys, I apologize if this offends anybody. At this point, I'm only using a mask for a freaking scarf. Your boy recently got hit up by Engwe. I'm just gonna read the email. This is what they said. Hi David, I noticed you've posted the review. Thank you. I noticed you made some modifications on the bike. Since any modification of the bike will break the 1-year warranty, I wonder if you can place a notification anywhere in your description or video so your fans will be aware of this information before they modify their bikes. Let's go ahead and go on their website and just pull up their policy, just so we're clear. According to their website, it says, this warranty does not cover any damage or defects resulting from failure to follow instructions in the owner's manual. I can't even freaking read. The owner's manual, acts of God, accident, misuse, neglect, abuse, commercial use, alterations, modifications, improper assembly, wear and tear, installation of parts or accessories not originally intended or compatible with the bicycle as sold, operator error, water damage, Xing. It's just too much to freaking read. What can you freaking do to your bike? At that point, everybody's gonna have a freaking stock bike and nobody's gonna be able to do anything different. You mean to tell me you can't change the grips without voiding your warranty? You mean to tell me you can't change these pedals without voiding your warranty? My size 13 shoe swallows the folding pedals, okay? Anybody that's seriously considering doing the BMX bar mod, just be careful. According to Engwe, that voids the warranty. If you guys have a different bike, you might want to pull up their warranty and just make sure it's okay. But yeah, just had to put out that warning to the people that are seriously considering this mod. Let's go ahead and show you what me and my dad been working on though. This is the prototype of something that me and my dad been working on, and this will allow you to put some BMX bars on there and you can actually fold them down. It started off like this. This is the stock folding stem. You guys know how I feel about it. Dude, we have so many of these from all the bikes that we've converted to BMX, like it's ridiculous. So you might be wondering why you don't just throw BMX bars on the stock stem. It's because it's so long. Just look how freaking crazy that is. Your bars will be so freaking high. Like, I don't even know what you would call that, you know? I actually been searching for about a year now. I thought it would have been fairly simple to find a very small folding stem, but to my surprise there aren't any that you can find right now. So the next best thing is to actually just make your own. Here's the size comparison. Boom. I believe it's around probably 235 millimeters long, and even though it is a little bit longer than a standard BMX stem, that's like the best we can do. If you look at this stock stem, it's narrow up here, but as you go down, it gets wider, right? Ever so slightly. That's an issue, because when you chop this part is gonna be so wide that the piece that you end up sticking inside is gonna be a little bit wobbly, right? So the solution that we came up with is that we made 4 cuts, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. The logic behind that is, if we put this clasp around it and tighten it, it would just bring everything in together, which will actually grip the small little piece, right? So that's what we did, and that worked. But we then noticed that this clamp that comes with the bike, it has this little piece sticking out, if you guys can see, and you can see it on, where's this piece? This is the stock piece. You can see that this stem has like a little indentation right here, right? And that's so when it slides in, it kind of like holds it, right? It can't really spin, especially when you clasp it down. So on one of your sides, you're gonna have to make a slightly bigger cut just so this can fit inside of there. So if you do end up doing this, you will need these things right here, these are called shims. Pretty much shims are used for when you have like a tube or pipe that's a little bit too big and it can't get a good grasp on it. Like for these bars, these are size 22.2 millimeter, and this stem fits a 25.4 millimeters. So if we didn't use the shim, these handlebars would be moving everywhere. This was pretty much just a proof of concept. Like, we just wanted to see if it would work, and it actually does. And like I said, we have so many lying around that we'll probably end up, you know, trying it out on the other ones and just perfecting it. This is what it's gonna look like if you end up doing it the same way I did it. Now, if you actually look closely, it does look a little bit crazy because it is a little bit higher than an actual BMX bar, but dude, that's the shortest you're gonna be able to do it if you want to keep the foldability. I'm also in talks with a supplier that if they can do it, which is super simple, I don't see why they couldn't. Hopefully we can have these mass produced and you guys can actually do it, and it'd be super simple, plug and play. You won't have to cut anything down. You can literally just take off the old stem, put the new one, put BMX bars on, no shims, and it's gonna look super pretty, super clean. And if we can get it shorter, that'd be dope as well. So stay tuned. If you guys are interested in doing it, just remember, any modifications on this bike in particular will void your warranty. So, dude, I don't even know what to say, all right? But yeah, that's gonna be in the video. And until the next one, deuces, like that.